Okay, plain cross polarized light, plain polarized light. This is a nice algae. This is a marine limestone, obviously, with lots of allochems. This is lots of cement, fringing cements. If you guys can see that in cross polarized light and plain polarized light. Those cements that are perpendicular to the grain, fringing off, and then some cements in between those. So those are two stages of cements, and we have these primary micritic textures in some of the grains still, and in some of the pores we have some cement. You can see them going extinct. So some of those pore spaces have been occluded or filled in. See that amazing fringing cements there around these grains, and we see micritic rims around these grains as well. So you would have the grains, then the micritic rims, cement here. Okay, so lots of cement between these very dark grains of Halimeda. Lots of Halimeda in here, and other allochems. I'm looking if I can find any other allochems that are diagnostic. So that's Halimeda again for you. I'm looking if I can find any other allochems. So looks like some forams there, or some gastropod. It's a long piece of a bivalve or something there. That looks like a piece of red algae in the center, but it's not very diagnostic. But not in the center, lower center there, not very diagnostic, but lots and lots of fringing cements or acicular looking cements. Looking if I can find, that looks like a cut through a gastropod or a foraminifera. This looks like a cut through a foraminifera actually. Looking, okay, so this here in the center looks very diagnostic for a piece of red algae with those reticulate patterns. So if you look through, you might be able to find some other things apart from the Halimeda. A lot of the stuff have the original textures removed, and so it's very difficult to say what they are. And this thing has been completely recrystallized inside the shells. So you remember when we learned the fabrics of mollusk, we are not seeing those fabrics in that one. Primary fabrics, we're not seeing those primary fabrics. Okay, video is long enough.